Hi, I'm Pookie6, and boy, do I have a product for you. Are you tired of riding your dumb bike everywhere or having to wait on your parents to give you a ride? Well, introducing the Hoverboard 360. With its sleek design, you could carry it around and still look cool. One of the greatest things about the Hoverboard 360 is that it runs off of water. With the Hoverboard 360, you will be the most popular kid in the whole world. The coolest thing about it though is the button which lets you change the height of the hovering for traveling fast and over things and getting to work on time. Low for doing tricks and such. To order your Hoverboard 360 today, call 720-256-1557. Once again, 720-256-1557. If you call in the next 15 minutes, we will throw in another hoverboard with your purchase. This is originally a $150 value, but if you call in the next 15 minutes, you'll only pay 2 easy payments of $50. So call today.